Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others. Cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized and distributed ledger that records transactions on multiple computers. This allows for secure and transparent record-keeping, as it is nearly impossible to alter the data on the blockchain. One of the main benefits of cryptocurrency is that it allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a central authority. This means that users can send and receive payments without the involvement of banks or other financial institutions, which can be slower and more expensive. Cryptocurrencies are also often faster and cheaper to send internationally compared to traditional methods. In addition to being used as a medium of exchange, cryptocurrency has also gained popularity as an investment asset. The value of many cryptocurrencies has seen significant fluctuations, with some experiencing huge gains and losses in a short period of time. This volatility can be attractive to some investors looking for quick returns, but it can also be risky. Cryptocurrencies are not without controversy, however. Because they are decentralized and anonymous, they have been used for illegal activities such as money laundering and drug trafficking. There are also concerns about the energy consumption of some cryptocurrencies, as the process of mining new coins can be energy-intensive. Despite these issues, the use of cryptocurrency is growing and it is being increasingly accepted as a legitimate form of payment by merchants and businesses around the world. Some experts believe that cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the financial industry and change the way we think about money and transactions. Overall, cryptocurrency is a complex and rapidly evolving field that has the potential to change the way we think about and use money. While it is not without its risks, it has the potential to offer significant benefits and disrupt traditional financial systems. So, what are the most popular cryptocurrencies? As of 2022, the most popular cryptocurrencies by market capitalization are Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform that runs smart contracts, which are applications that run exactly as programmed without the possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. In addition to being a cryptocurrency ether, Ethereum is also used to build and run decentralized applications. Binance Coin. Binance Coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance platform, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. It is used to pay fees on the exchange and can also be traded on the platform. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created as a joke in 2013 but has since gained a large and dedicated community. It was originally based on the Doge meme, which features a Shiba Inu dog. XRP. XRP is the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network, which is a payment protocol that allows for fast and cheap transactions. It is used by banks and financial institutions as a way to transfer money and settle cross-border payments.